Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. To power on your JSW Google TV, find the logo and press beneath it. And of course, these are cases where you do not have the remote. Once you find the power button, go ahead and press for about 15 seconds. Once you press for about 15 seconds, you can actually count, then let go. You don't need to hold it for an extended period of time. Simply go ahead and press and hold to about 15 seconds and then let go. Once you do, the TV is going to boot up. As you can see, the Google TV operating system, and as we are going through, you can see the JSW logo there. It's right beneath it. It's a raised button, and the button itself feels raised. So what you can actually do is feel for it. It's there. So of course, it's just a single button, and once you press and hold it firmly for that time period after 15 seconds and let go, it's gonna go ahead and power on. So as you can see here, guys, it's powered up, and that's how you power on it, the JSW, and you do not need a remote, so in case you lost it or can't find it. All right, so quick help. I hope that was helpful. See you in the next one. Bye.